How to reset your password in Nvidia account. If you have forgotten your password or want to reset it, then this video is for you. Please follow the instruction in this video. First, open up any browser. Here I am using Google Chrome. Now on the search bar type in Nvidia. This is the homepage of Nvidia website, and here on the top you can see this human icon. Click on it. Now you will be reloaded into this login page. Here you have to type in your email, or if you have logged in with this platform, click on this respective platform. Now type in your email in this field here. After that, click on this continue option. Now to reset your password, click on this forgot password link. Here you have to retype your email. After you type in your email, click on the submit option. Now you have to open up your email. Here you will receive an email like this, and click on this reset my password option. After that, type in your new password here. Now re-enter the same password on this field. After you have typed in your password, click on the submit option. Following the simple and easy step, you have successfully reset your password in Nvidia account. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.